Hello everyone, I wanted to share with you an update on my side project called Clicky. So as you may have noticed, it's a kind of computer which runs on punch cards. Before I execute this program, I wanted to show you the different parts of this computer. Over here, we have a row of IR receivers. Here, a stepper motor, which helps to navigate between the different rows on the punch card, and the IR receivers would read each row one at a time. Over here we have the Arduino and Arduino Nano, which is currently emulating an old type of processor called the Intel 8008, and the Arduino Nano is also responsible of controlling the stepper motor and reading from the IR sensors over here. And it's also responsible of controlling the display units over here, which consists of a bunch of shift registers, 7 segments, and an LED matrix display. So I've configured this 7 segment to display the PC, the program counter, and a bunch of registers inside the emulated CPU. Over here, the matrix LED would represent a chunk inside the data storage inside the emulated CPU. So every column displays a single byte inside the data storage. So index 0, for example, actually I've configured this matrix LED to represent index 0 until index 7 inside the data storage. So index 0 represents the first column, index 1 represents the second column, and until index 7. So the last column would be index 7 inside the data storage, right? So what this program does is that it initializes this part of the memory inside the emulated CPU, all right? So let's see how it works. And there we have it. The part of the memory is initialized.